What's up? This is going to be a trade recap for 20. Oh my God. This is August. Zero, 3rd of August 2026. I can't even believe it, bro. Like, just now I feel like I celebrated New Year's 2026. And 8 months already gone, bro. What's happening, bro? My system got super slow. It's getting old after all. Come on, mate. So I did end up taking two clean trades today. I need to go through this trade right here because the first setup I entered a bit late, or I should have entered where I should have entered. Like, seriously, this is way late entry, honestly speaking. So when I go to the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, we have this opening weekly opening range right here, and price market opens, fills the weekly opening range, and then goes back into this. I didn't really actually do anything after that. Like after once the price did this, that's my ultimate confirmation for reversal. So which is on the 5 minute time frame. So as you can see, we got an inversion right there. So I was just pretty much waiting for my entry. So I just didn't want to like enter a little earlier, or like in a place where I would get stopped out. So I just didn't want us to do that. And I just waited and waited and waited a little bit more, a little bit longer. Come on, dude. Seriously. Oh my God. Super lagging, bro. Come on, man. All right, perfect. So after that 5 minute inversion right there, and then this is where I should have been actually entered, like probably here. And my stops would have been very, 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 very minimum. So, but yeah, look at this rate. What's wrong with this rate, right? So my entry was right here, and my stop loss was below this 1 minute candle. So I never got stopped out, and this is my entry. And then price came back all the way down to this low, and then went back up, gave me 1:1, and that's when I break even that trade. This seemed more obvious than. Like I don't even know what to say, bro. Like I thought at a point I thought this trade is gonna get wrecked. So that's almost there. Like 1 minute gap. I thought 1 minute gap was inverse. I was in the bus, taking the bus for my work. So it was like really shaky and I couldn't like see much. And I thought this 1 minute gap got inverse. And man, honestly speaking, I thought this trade was stopped out. I mean, I went up almost gave me 1:1. I only had around like $180 risk on this trade, so which is also top tier risk management. So I gotta give it up for me that uh, what the hell? I gotta give it up for me. I gotta give it up for me. So yeah, I'm just correcting myself. But look, this is honestly awesome. This trade is honestly awesome. Why? We are diving off this 1 minute and 1 minute fair value gap after a market structure shift, which is, which almost swept out all the liquidities that we need to see before the reversal, right? And the ultimate confirmation is this 1 minute gap, fair value gaps being formed, and 5 minutes inversion. So, which is crazy, right? So that's like an ultimate green flag for us to go for a buy entry. So I was just targeting London high, right? So not crazy. I just didn't want it to like go for a big number or something. I just want to like be humble enough to like just take my 1% and I'm out. So that's what I was aiming for. And this trade, unfortunately, like I got stopped out at break even. So I just didn't enter this trade right away, and which almost I wanted to. I was like looking for a trade once every single second because when I go to 30 seconds, I don't see any 30-second inversion or 30-second fair value gap being formed in this leg. But I know for a fact that we have a lot. a lot of low resistant liquidities right here, low resistant liquidities all over that need to be went through. So, I mean, like I was just expecting for a 30-second inversion or 30-second fair value gap tab. So basically, when this happened, right? So I just marked out this whole range, and this 25% has been broken up. And then this trade right here, right? So it is simple, right? So once price break about that 75%, and I just wanted to like re-enter on this trade because we have a break of structure, fair value gap being formed, and even this is exactly at the 50% range. So pretty much a reversal point, and this fair value gap seems more obvious. And once that get taps in, I just wanted to see any 30-second inversion happening right here, which didn't happen really. And then right here, 1 minute inversion plus as well as 30-second inversion. That is the reason for this trade. And when I go to 30 seconds, it's going to have a little bit more of information about this trade. So, wow, dude, that's where my entry was. And I like had my stop loss below this 1 minute gap. But yeah, I mean, this seems more obvious, and I just wanted to target Asian high or London high. I mean, Asian high, I guess, yeah. Previous days, New York high. I mean, which is Friday's New York high too. So it was an amazing trade, honestly speaking. And I mean, the account is actually doing good. I am doing good. So it's just a matter of time now. And I just have to scale it up. I mean, at this point, like it's going crazy awesome, bro. I just have to give it up for me. And God, without God, I'm nothing, bro. I just believed, and I don't even know, man. But this is crazy. All glory goes to God, and for me to, with for not giving up. For I never give up, but yeah, I gotta give it up for me. That forget about it. Fuck it. I don't care. Just I don't know, man. So an amazing trade. That was a nice shot. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Bah. All right, be good. So, end of the day, you gotta believe in yourself. You gotta put yourself, and you gotta know yourself and know your worth. Never give up on yourself, and always believe in yourself because who else would? So, just never give up. Take the risk. If you're around, take the risk. Never give up. Believe in God. Believe in yourself. Those are the key ingredients that most of the successful people have. And the consistency, and being disciplined. I mean, you don't even have to be like purely disciplined. Like you just have to be consistent with the things that you're doing. So that is one thing. Being so hard on yourself, like probably like lets you to break the rules that you put on yourself or something like that. Just be consistent on your rules. Just be consistent on growing yourself. Just be consistent on being so clear up here. So just be consistent. You don't have to be like, okay, wait, I woke up today and I'm just in a brand new person, like which is never gonna happen. So you just have to be consistent. That's it. And I'm out. Adios.